Have you ever wondered about the new developments popping up around our community? Let's dive into the infrastructure. We're out here near the corner of Norwood and Johnson. This is going to be south of the activity barn in McCall, Idaho, and south of the airport. There's a neighborhood that's popping up. This neighborhood's called the Preserve at McCall Ranch. It's going to be divided up. There will be 8 lots total. The average size of these lots range from over an acre to just over 5 acres. In this neighborhood, all the lots will be on well and septic. For fire suppression, they've had the developer bury a 10,000-gallon water tank on the utility easement at the front of the neighborhood. Some of the lots in this neighborhood are going to have irrigation. Lots number 2, 3, 4, and 8 are right now recorded to have irrigation. So how this actually came about, or why this particular neighborhood's on my radar, is because I was showing a home on Johnson Street, and I did have a client point out this subdivision and ask, what's going in there? And are those going to increase my home value or decrease my home value when, this job's completed? And so it really depends on the type of homes that are going to be built on the lots. Because the lots are so large and they're not going to allow for manufactured housing, I would say that this is going to increase the property values of the homes around this area, because it throws in more new homes, and when you have new homes, they're usually priced higher, and so in the algorithm of pricing, it will increase your property value to have brand new homes surrounding you. So if you're curious about developments around you, watch the channel, hit the subscribe button, and always feel free to reach out and give me a call.